Let me ask you something. Have you ever grown a bean that's longer than your forearm? I'm serious. This isn't a garden myth. These are called red noodle beans. Long, stunning vines that grow bright red-purple beans over 3 feet long. They're beautiful, productive, and you can still plant them right now in June. The bean you never knew you needed. These beauties are also known as yard-long beans or Chinese long beans, and they're originally from Southeast Asia. But don't let their exotic looks fool you. They're surprisingly easy to grow, especially if you live somewhere with warm summers. They love the heat, grow fast, and they're one of the most rewarding crops I've ever planted. And the taste? Tender, slightly nutty, and sweeter than green beans. Especially if you pick them while they're young. Plus, they're packed with iron, fiber, and antioxidants. How to grow them? Red noodle beans are best sown directly into the garden once the soil has really warmed up. June is perfect in most climates. All you need is full sun, warm weather, and a little space for them to climb. And trust me, they will climb. You'll want a sturdy trellis or fence ready, because these vines can reach 10 to 12 feet tall if you let them. Give the seeds about 1 inch of depth, and plant them a few inches apart. Once they sprout, thin them out to around 6 inches so they don't compete. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy. Mulching around the base helps with moisture and weeds, and once they get going, these beans take off. Caring for them through the summer, you'll start seeing flowers after a few weeks. And then the real magic begins. These beans grow fast, sometimes inches in a single day. Keep them picked and they'll just keep coming. The more you harvest, the more they produce. And here's the fun part. You'll want to pick them before they get too thick. Around 18 to 24 inches is perfect. Any longer, and they start to get a little tough. But at the right time, they're crisp, juicy, and sweet. How to enjoy them? Red noodle beans are super versatile in the kitchen. I love slicing them into stir-fries with garlic and sesame oil. Quick, delicious, and so satisfying. You can steam them, salt them, or even eat them raw if they're young and tender. And fun fact, though they're bright red when raw, they turn a deep green when cooked. Don't worry, that's totally normal. If you're looking for something unique to plant this June, something that thrives in heat, produces like crazy, and starts conversations, give red noodle beans a try. They're beautiful, bountiful, and just plain fun. Thanks for joining me here on Natural Earth Living. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more rare gardening gems, and let me know in the comments what unusual crop you're planting this year. See you in the garden!